time and time and time and time and time again, right? So use your imagination to determine the level to which you can do this. This is a single fan page business that does over $4,000 a month. But it also helped me build an email list of over 200,000 people completely free. And my Facebook fan page has over 450,000 fans, and we reach over 15 million people a week. How many of you would like to learn how to do this? Just say yes if you would like to learn how to do something like this for yourself and build a business just like this for yourself. I need to see lots of yeses so I can know that you're in, so that I can know that you're ready to learn and you'd like to do this, because I can tell you right now this is one of the most insane things that I've ever stumbled upon in my entire marketing career, and I'm going to break it down for you right now. Now, what I like to do is I like to teach. I like to make sure when you leave this event, you've learned something. You know something, right? So what I do is I actually use my trusty little whiteboard. Things have come a long way now, so we can actually draw and do some really awesome things. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of break this down and bring this up for you. So everybody should, at this point, let's see, be able to see my little whiteboard here. I'll move this off to the side. All right, so you should be able to see my whiteboard, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw for you exactly what you need to know how to do. All right, so let's pull this up like this. All right, so it all kind of starts off like this. I'm going to pull it up on my side here. All right, now I'm going to ask you a question because this is very, very, very important. All right, so I want you to all answer this. What's the key? All right, what's the key to a, all right, successful online business? All right, so I'd like for all of you to answer that question for me. What is the key to a successful online business? Just put it in the chat box for me there and let me know what you think the key. All right, so I see a lot of people giving me a ton of answers, but the biggest answer that I'm seeing come in right now in the chat box live from all of you guys, I'm seeing that a lot of you are saying this is the key to a successful online business. Traffic. If you don't have traffic, you can't make any money. That's a given, okay? So let's just call a spade a spade. If you don't have people coming to your website, you can't possibly ever make any money at all. But most everyone will tell you that traffic is the key. And I'll be honest with you, I used to tell my students the same thing. Traffic is the key. But I have figured out where we've all gone wrong. Let me show you. Traffic, I no longer think traffic is the key to a successful online business. I think we need to reevaluate. And we need to say that quality traffic is the key to a successful online business. How many of you would agree with me? Just say yes if you would agree with me. You see, quality traffic is what's important. If you build an online business like I did selling Mustang parts, but you all of a sudden have people coming that are not interested in Mustang parts, are they going to buy anything? Absolutely not. So you've got to have quality traffic, okay? So make a note of that. Quality traffic is the key to a successful online business. Now, with that said, let's talk about free traffic. All right? You have probably been taught at some point in time that free traffic was what you should do. And you've probably found that most every time that you try to get free traffic, you fail. How many of you would agree? Just say yes. If you've ever tried these free traffic strategies and they never work, right? Okay, let me explain to you why they never work. And it's very important because, look, I'm going to show you how to start to finish build an online business right now, okay? But you have to know the basics first. Here are the basics. Free traffic. Why does free traffic typically fail? Well, point number one, and this is very important, it's low quality. You see, when people teach you how to get free traffic, meaning just free visitors to your webpage, they typically aren't very good. They're not targeted, okay? They're low quality, which brings me obviously to step two, or reason number two. They're not targeted. Okay? If they're not targeted, they're not going to buy anything. And then, of course, one of the other reasons that free traffic doesn't really work all that well is it takes forever. It takes forever to get it. So some of you might have heard of SEO. Okay? These things take forever. So something like SEO will take you a long time to get that. So here are the 3 reasons, okay, that free traffic is not really a good option for you and for your business. How many of you are with me? Just say yes if you're with me right now, so we can make sure that everybody's on the same page, everybody's tracking, everybody's paying attention, because everybody's going to learn how to build their own online business and build an email list right here, right now on this webinar. Okay, so good. I see lots and lots of people saying yes. Okay, so let's talk about something real fast. This is important. Okay, and we'll just kind of we'll just make a little line here. All right, this is important. Many new businesses are created by accident. How many of you knew that? Just say yes if you knew that, no if you did not know that. Many new businesses are created by accident. Here's the thing. If you are creating a new strategy, all right? If you are creating a new strategy, okay? So if you're creating this new strategy and it's something that's never been done before, well, that means you've got to be innovative, right? That means you actually have to be creating something that hasn't been done before, or else it's not new. How many of you are with me on that? If it's been done before, it's not new. Okay? Well, I literally, by complete accident, created this business model. I created this entire business and I've duplicated it over and over and over again, and it's by complete and total accident. Here's what I discovered. Okay, so here's what I discovered. I discovered something that changes the rules. It completely changes the game for everybody. I discovered how to get free traffic but I discovered how to get quality, quality free traffic. I discovered how to get it fast, because we all want to build our businesses fast, and I discovered how to get it targeted. I discovered all of this by complete accident. But let me ask you something. If you could get free traffic and it was quality, fast, and targeted, do you think you could build a massively successful business, yes or no? All right, I see lots and lots and lots of people saying yes. I see lots of people saying yes. Of course, if you could build this massive business off of free traffic without asking you to go spend a ton of money, okay?